Welcome to our help article video on integrating Salesforce with SmartReach.io. In this video, we'll show you how to sync your Salesforce CRM with SmartReach and leverage the power of email automation. Let's get started. There are two ways to access the Salesforce integration option in SmartReach. You can either go to Settings, then Team Settings, and select Integrations, followed by clicking on Salesforce, or you can even sync your prospects directly inside a campaign from your CRM. Once you've chosen your preferred method, you'll need to connect your Salesforce account using your credentials and authorize permissions on Salesforce to allow SmartReach to connect. After the initial integration, the next step is to configure some important settings and perform necessary mappings for a seamless experience. Let's start with user mapping. Here you can select the Salesforce owner from the drop-down menu and click Save to map it with the users in SmartReach. Moving on to the next section, Lead Mapping, which consists of 3 steps: Settings, Status Mapping, and Field Mapping. Coming to the Settings step, you can enable the option Allow SmartReach to work with contacts from Salesforce. If you want to sync campaign or prospect-related activities back to Salesforce, you can select the appropriate boxes. Please note that this step is optional. In the Status Mapping step, you can map lead statuses from SmartReach to Salesforce. The available status options from Salesforce will be automatically displayed in the drop-down. You can choose the appropriate statuses based on the email activities and prospect categories in SmartReach. In the Field Mapping step, you'll need to map contact columns in Salesforce to prospect columns in SmartReach. The contact fields from Salesforce will be automatically displayed in the drop-down, ensuring proper data synchronization. Once you've completed the necessary mapping and integration, you can enjoy the functionality sync feature. This allows you to sync specific filtered buckets or lists of contacts from Salesforce to a SmartReach campaign directly. Simply select the desired contact filter option and campaign name. Coming to Contact Mapping, enabling this setting will allow you to sync campaign or prospect-related activities back to Salesforce. You can select the appropriate boxes and enable this. You can follow the same steps we just covered for lead mapping. Please note that this step is optional. If, at any point, you need to disconnect SmartReach from Salesforce, you can easily do so by navigating to Settings, then Integrations, and selecting Salesforce Settings. Click on Delete under the Connection tab. If you want to reconnect to Salesforce again, click on Reconnect under the same tab. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated SmartReach with Salesforce, enabling a seamless bi-directional synchronization. You can always refer to our detailed help article for any further information.